Hi, Madeline. Great work on your lesson this week for Allegretto. Just a few reminders for your practice. I want you to really focus in on the jam, which is the last two notes of the second line, all the way until the fermata. And so you're going to really do a lot of repetitions of that spot. And I want you to think about your character. So you're going to have more of a light, soft, and then big, heavy accent. Light, big, heavy, light. Then we start to slow down gradually and check that you're near the upper part of the bow right before the E. So a good way to do that when you start to slow down, you can start more in the middle of the bow. And then you're just going to make sure that you're pulling your down bows a little faster than your up bows. Which happens easy enough if you let it, because the down bows are quarter notes. So they're twice as long rhythm-wise as the up bows. So all your up bows, down, up, down, long on the A, down, up, down. And then if you pull the down bows just a little faster than the up bows, you can get to the tip. And it usually is not too hard because gravity will help you pull down faster than up. So good that you like to be near the frog. Most students have a hard time doing that. Okay, so once you put that line together, it's going to sound like this. If you want to play with me or just finger with me here, here's the jam. Da, 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 ready, go. Then take a pause. Okay, and then check that you got the first line. You did really well at the end of the lesson, remembering those 3 extra notes in the first line of Allegretto. And then also, we're really noticing our left hand so that we're able to stretch that pinky, round it, and make sure our hand isn't coming in this way. It's doing that monkey bar hang, okay? And then the thing to work on in Andantino is those accents. So measure 2, measure 4. Another good place would be the very last measure. The other accents are just repeats of those spots, okay? So let's do measure 2 together. Actually, I'll do all 3 of these spots here with you. I want you to think about phrasing them like an open. It's got a point at the end, and then it opens like you're throwing something. So we're going to do, starting in the middle of the bow, and then the rhythm is important to keep it steady. Little long half note, ti ti ta ta. So we really bite the half note at the beginning. I'll do it without vibrato so you can hear the bite just on the bow itself. One more. Ready, go. Let's do another one together, and then we'll move to measure 4. Measure 2. 1, 2, ready, go. So practice getting that biting sound. Let's do the same thing with measure 4. Same rhythm, different notes. 1, 2, measure 4, go. Ready, go. One more. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, so let it bite and then kind of flow up like you're throwing. And then the last one is G, F, E, D. Same rhythm, different notes. Last measure this time. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do 2 more of those. Ready, go. Make sure we're really driving the bow enough so that we have enough bow to spin on the last note. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. And then also spend some good time on the third line of Andantino. I'll play through that with you once. 1, 2, third line, go. You can slow down towards the end of that line. All right, and then it goes back to our regular tempo. So keep up the good work on the left hand and the fourth finger and all the bow accents you've been doing. All of your review schedules, make sure you're doing that really well. And we'll see you next week. Have a good week. Bye.